let's talk about Prickly Pear Sangria. As you do see, it's in the fruity plus happy scent family. So let's talk about this. As you do see, I do have it in the 3-wick as well. And I do have an older version of this 3-wick, but today we're just gonna talk about the Wallflower. The scent notes is pear, syrup, white wine, and sliced fruit. Okay, let's get into these scent notes. Now, like I said, I use it in my diffuser. Y'all know I always do the diffuser hack on some of my Wallflowers. I love using them that way because you really could smell the scent. And I also think that it's a way to the most for your buck when it comes to these Wallflowers. That's just my take. So let's talk about it. Now, this scent is really, it's nice. It's not really nice, it's just nice. Now, with the candle is a low throw. You really get that pear note, even though it's a very subtle pear note. I don't really get the wine. I get slight bits of the fruit, but to me, this candle is kind of light, in my opinion. But again, we're talking about the Wallflower. I just wanted to put that in there. Now, the Wallflower, you really get that white wine. It was almost like drinking white wine, in my opinion. It is slightly fruity. I really don't get a whole lot of the pear. I get more of the white wine. I think that this is more small room friendly. When I put it in like the open area, it was there, but it wasn't like powerhouse like the other Wallflowers I've been using in there. But this is more small room friendly in my environment, in my area. I think this scent was kind of boring for me. Even though it is in the happy family, and I think that's because of the scent notes is bright notes, you know, the sliced fruits, the white wine. I think that's why they classifying this as a happy. Of course, it's fruity, but for me, this one was slightly boring. I could smell it in the room, but it didn't give me any kind of vibe. It didn't give me any kind of, let me turn some music on and, and vibe out. It didn't give me that. It didn't even give me, So I'm Happy. You know what I'm saying? That song by Pharrell. It didn't give me that. It was just a scent that was just going. It did not smell bad. It smelled really good. Like I said, it gave me that wine scent, the wine scent with a hint of fruit, but I personally think this is a really good scent to blend because again, that wine note, the scent I believe is good is this one. This is Love Always Win. This is version of that, and it has the sangria, the bright melon, and the misty water. I don't know what misty water is, but it has that. And if y'all don't know, if you didn't get your hands on this last year, this one is super fruity. Oh my goodness, love this scent. And if I could find some more of these Wallflowers, I most definitely will buy more of this because this scent is so good in the body care as well as the home fragrance. This scent was a winner, in my opinion, of course, because some people feel different. So I think if you blend these two together, what they say, chef kiss. So yes, because this one, you already get that white wine note in the Pear Sangria, and then you get that fruity note in Love Always Win. I think it takes it up to the next level. And that's one thing I really love about using my diffuser, because you could customize your scent. You could do 3 drops of the Pear Sangria with 5 drops of Love Always Win. and get the perfect scent that you're looking for. I love that about the diffusers. Using my wallflowers like this. As you see, I do the hack on most of my wallflowers. And I'll leave that video at the top if you want to know how to do that. But by now, I'm sure everybody has seen that video already. So yes, that's how I feel about the about this Pear Sangria scent. I feel like it needs something more. It needs another note, or they need to amp it up on the sangria part, the fruit note, I should say. And then if they had more of that fruit note in it, I think this would have been good. That's just my opinion. Leave down in the comments, how do you feel about this prickly pear sangria? Have you burned the candle? Have you used the wallflowers? Leave all that down in the comments. Was it a low throw for you? Do you use your wallflowers like this? If you did, how do you feel about the prickly pear sangria in your diffuser? Yeah, leave that down in the comments, because I'm just kind of curious. Maybe my sense of smell is off a little bit. Maybe this is a powerhouse, but in my area is not. It's most definitely small room friendly. I can smell it in this room, but when I use my diffuser in the open area, this scent somewhat got lost. And it's the same way with the candle. As you see, I'm about halfway with this candle, but I will grab more of this scent. And the reason is because this scent don't come out that often. So I most definitely will be grabbing maybe 3 more of the wallflowers and maybe 1 more candle, just because this scent don't come out. And I do love the pear note. So most of the time, anytime they come out with a pear scent, I'm gonna get it because I love it. I love the scent. So yeah, that's my take on prickly pear sangria. Leave your thoughts about it down in the comment area. Do you like this scent, or is this something you just passed up because it's just not in your scent profile? You just don't like it. You know, leave that down in the comments. Also, let me know, what is the first note that you smell? Do you smell the wine, or do you get pear, or do you get the fruitiness of this scent? Leave that down in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, hit the notification bell. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for supporting me, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.